Welcome back to NoirRide Atelier. Meet the legend, 2027 Aprilia RSV4 Factory. Like and subscribe for more. Let's go. Command absolute presence with an exotic Italian weapon that commands an estimated global retail price of $27,500, representing the absolute pinnacle of street-legal racing engineering. This elite superbike flaunts a premium exterior design wrapped in an aggressive shakedown indigo and dark Kraken livery, combining striking matte surfaces with high-gloss accents that highlight its razor-sharp bodywork. The aerodynamic styling is directly carved from Aprilia's World Championship MotoGP pedigree, introducing revolutionary dual-stage integrated winglets beneath the bubble windshield that reduce the drag coefficient by 6%, while expanding front-end downforce by 8% for flawless stability at blistering velocities. At the heart of this tarmac shredding monster sits a legendary 1099 cubic centimeter 65-degree V4 engine, producing an earth-shattering 220 horsepower at 13,000 RPM and 93.7 foot-pounds of torque. Twisting the ride-by-wire throttle unlocks an explosive speed and acceleration feel, rocketing you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds with an unyielding surge of power that breaches a maximum speed well over 186 miles per hour. Despite this fierce racing persona, the ergonomically optimized riding position offers absolute control, shaping a deep connection with the recontoured fuel tank, while specialized cooling fans divert punishing heat away from your legs to ensure premium rider comfort during intense sessions. The machine boasts a brilliant 5-inch colored TFT display acting as your high-tech flight deck, packed with custom telemetry and backlit handlebar switchgears to seamlessly manipulate the world's most advanced rider assistance systems. This cutting-edge electronics suite runs an intelligent 6-axis inertial platform to operate predictive adaptive traction control, predictive wheelie control, slide mitigation, and corner-by-corner engine map tailoring. Safety features are uncompromising, anchored by high-end Brembo Hypure radial front calipers clamping massive 330mm floating discs, combined with a 3-level multi-map cornering ABS and rear-wheel lift mitigation to give you monumental stopping power under any braking force. The overall riding experience is nothing short of telepathic, adapting effortlessly across international environments, from wide-open interstate highways where the semi-active suspension smooths out structural concrete, to dense urban streets where its ultra-lightweight forged aluminum wheels offer instantaneous flickability, and finally to winding alpine mountain roads where the Linz Smart EC 2.0 electronic steering damper and adaptive CHASSIS let you carve apexes with surgical precision, solidifying the 2027 Aprilia RSV4 Factory as the ultimate production superbike on the planet.